All right, so we're back with my blends blender today. And we learned last week about a blend being two letters that come together. And they kind of sound good together, like BL, bull. We kind of put them together. Now, that was at the beginning of a word. Today, we're going to learn about those final blends. And these are blends that you will find at the end of a word. Now, remember, a blend is two or more letters together. They all make their sound, but they're kind of blended together smooth. So if we look at this word, I'm actually going to cover up this S because it's a suffix. And if you see, BL is a blend. ND is also a blend. They both get their own tap, but they blend together. So this word is blend. And then we have the suffix S we'll talk about later. But some of our final common blends that you'll find in words, you have NT goes nt. You might have a mp. You might have nd or lt. St. You might even have sk. There are some more blends. These are just more common. I'm going to give you some words and we're going to practice tapping them. So if I have this, if I added TE in front of NT, we'll tap it tent. I might even add this to this word. List. This is a very common ending. Sometimes we get confused about because of that N. But if we add jump. Jump. SK, we add a RI in front of it. Let's practice tapping. Risk. Let's do this one. Melt. And you might even have a word like this. And hand. And we like to do AN together because it's a good sound. You might also find this word. I want to talk about this. Sometimes you might find this ending, especially since we just talked about digraphs. And this is a unique tap because we're going to go ch. CH is a digraph, so it gets one tap. So lunch. So these are some examples of final blends. Remember, blends, two or more letters that they both get their own tap. They say their own sound, but we blend them together. So there you go, guys.